Hi, this is Bill Wynn with pennyauctionsreviews.us, and right now what I'm going to do is put together a little video, particularly for my team members, but also for those of you who happen to find this on YouTube because you're either looking into Zeek or trying to learn more about it. And if you are looking to work with Zeek rewards and you have not joined a team yet, I would like you to consider working with me and the rest of the team. You can go to pennyauctionsreviews.us, or you can also look below the video in the description and you'll see a link to the website. But let's go ahead and get started with this training video. I have some people that have asked, they've had some problems posting some of the classified ads, asked me to put together a little video to help them out. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing we do is we go to zeekrewards.com because we need to log into our back office. And we're going to go ahead and log in. So with that, you type in your username and your password. And that brings us into the affiliate area. And what we're doing right now is we are just going to go ahead and place our ad. So we simply click on that. And then there's a little trick I like to use here just to be more efficient. I right click, that's using the right button on your mouse or the right button on your laptop. It brings up this little window and then I choose open link in new tab, and what you can see is that it actually opened here. And I do that on the second link, open link in new tab, and then on step 3 I just give that a simple click. And what I do now is go to this middle tab because we need to choose our ad. And like it says here, we need to submit one ad every day to qualify. So that's what we're doing. Now, if you want to use some of these particular ads here in which you can give away bids or whatnot, make sure you choose the right one. If you're a silver level member, gold, or diamond, go ahead and make sure you choose the right one. They are different and you don't want to do any false advertising. So here, I like to just use the Zeekler.com classified ads. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take this first one. So I'm going to highlight it, clicking my mouse and dragging over the text. And then again, I use that right mouse button and I choose copy. What we've done is we've copied that ad to our clipboard or the computer's memory. And now we can go ahead and actually close this page. What we see here now are the advertising venues. And I'm going to go ahead and use Classifieds Giant. But they're all good. This just happens to be the one that I'm using for the video. Some of the others I like more actually. And here I'm actually already logged in to my account. If you don't have an account, you're going to see sign up or register and you'll just create your account. But since I already have my account and I'm in, I'm going to go ahead and click on my account. And then what you'll see over here in the right top corner is you'll see post an ad. And that's what I want to do, is go ahead and post an ad. Now, this is very important notice right here because a lot of Zeek users are posting ads in Classifieds Giant. They want to make sure that we put them in the right section. So we're going to choose services, and like it says, online auction. So we get our second category here, or subcategory that opens up, and we choose online auction. And then we're going to choose next step. Now remember, we already have this ad on the computer memory. So once we get to the area, we're not going to have to go find anything. I always choose free classifieds, and you see the radio button is selected there, so we'll choose that plan. You do get some better response when you go ahead and choose things like this, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just use that. Okay, so here's where we actually put our ad together. Now remember, I have it already copied, so I'm going to be able to right click in the description box and choose paste. And there it is. And what I like to do, because this was meant to be the title line, I go ahead and copy and paste that up there, and then I do delete that. And then I like to make sure that my link is separate so that people see that to click on it. And I like to actually kind of reformat it just a little bit so it fits in there right. You don't really have to take the time to do that, but I like to. And that's it. So we have our stuff there. Now you can get a little more fancy here. You could actually add some pictures. You could change the background color to bring it out more, to make it appeal to people or grab their attention more. Now we're going to choose our state, and I'm going to go ahead and post this in Tennessee. I'm going to post it in Chattanooga, and happen to know the zip code there. Now if you happen to have a YouTube account and you have some videos on there, you can place the embed code in here. I should probably do this on another training video, although I think I've done it, and it's one of the exclusive videos for my team members. So we're going to go ahead and skip that, but that really does bring a lot of life and interaction to your classified ad. I'm going to choose next step. And what we're going to see is an example of our ad. Oops, sorry, we're going to add, you have the opportunity to upload some photos. And what I'm going to do here is I actually took a couple pictures off the internet. I took a backpack, and this will give people something to see and some ideas of what's available at the penny auction. So I'm going to take a backpack. I took a dartboard here. This was actually on Zeekler this morning. So I know that these are items that are being sold. They're not pie in the sky. I know this bag happened to be on there. So you see, you're actually allowed 4 photos. So I think I took 4 so I could fill this up. And again, remember, the people that are looking at this, someone may not be interested in a dartboard, while someone else might be interested in this kitchen appliance here, while someone else might be in a backpack, or their kids just happen to need a backpack. And so you want a variety of photos that are going to appeal to different people. And then choose next step. Now that I have my 4 photos, I have my ad, that's all together. If I had the YouTube video, that would have been great. And we're just waiting for the next page to come up. Again, you get more response when you do use other options, and I do that from time to time, but for the sake of the video we're just going to choose a free classified ad. We choose next step. And so this is giving us the details. You can just go over it, make sure you spelled everything right, you have your link, it's posting in the right place, your photos. If you need to change anything, you can edit, but it's good, so I'm going to approve the ad. And I'm going to get this screen that comes up, and will give me the option to view my ad. Their website is particularly slow today. This is not normal. Must be a lot of affiliates posting their links. It's right around noon. Maybe everyone's on this classified site during their lunch break. Okay, so here we go. The ad is published, and so what you do now is you go ahead and view your ad, and they even tell you how to go ahead and share it. You can go ahead and post your classified ad to your Facebook account, your Twitter account, any other social networks you have, bookmarking that you do. I happen to do a lot of internet marketing, so have a lot of background there, and it's good to get involved in it. So this is our ad, and you can see the visitors to your ad can go ahead and click on the different images and check them out. It'll have your phone number, if you have a website, your web page, your name, and then of course here's your ad too. Here's where they can go to your Zeekler auction or learn more about it. And that's it. That's all you do for that. Now what I do is I go ahead and I want to click on this and I want to copy this address, and then I'm going to go back to one of the tabs. It was the one I actually just regularly clicked on, and now I want to put in these two boxes that address for the classified ad. This is what qualifies you for the day, and because it was a classified, I choose the correct ad type and I click submit. And then here it says ad submitted for today. I go back to the back office, and there you're going to see the green banner at the top instead of red, which means I'm qualified for the next 24 hours. And it's going to say qualified for 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 37 seconds. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And again, I invite you, if you're looking into Zeek, consider working with our team. We do lots of videos like this to help people learn without having to figure it out on their own. We share some of our unique experience as affiliate marketers, internet marketers, and network marketers to achieve more with our home-based business. Until next time, take care.